Communities are great places to share ideas and develop as engineers and designers. The Solid Solutions student community on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is packed full of useful information and resources about SOLIDWORKS and the platform to help you advance your skills and become a confident user of both SOLIDWORKS and the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Let's show you how to create a 3DEXPERIENCE account and join the Solid Solutions student community. By now you'll have received a welcome email from Solid Solutions. Click on the link in the email and you'll be taken to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. On the first page, if you've already created a 3DEXPERIENCE ID, then you can log in here. Otherwise, you'll need to click Create your 3DEXPERIENCE ID. Fill out the form with your details. Please be sure to use your student email address and create a username and secure password that meet the specified criteria. Click the Register button when complete. Fill out the second page with the requested information and click Send Validation Email. You'll then receive another email from a 3DEXPERIENCE email address with another link in which you can click to verify your email. The community will then set itself up for you, and after agreeing to the terms of use, you can sign up to the student community. In the Sign Up request box, please enter your college or university and indicate whether you're a staff member or a student, and please don't forget to specify the end date of your course. Once your request is approved, you can access the community on the left-hand side of the screen and pin the community to the top of the list by clicking the drop-down arrow and adding it to your favourites. When you access the community, you'll be greeted by 4 welcome screens, giving you more information about how to navigate and use the community. The main community page will look similar to this. The colourful buttons on the right-hand side allow you to filter by general posts, media, we do tasks, questions, and wiki posts. Information and resources are stored in the wiki. Explore the green wiki posts to learn more about using SOLIDWORKS and the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. If you have any questions, create a post in the community and we'll have a community leader respond in a timely manner. Please enjoy the community and make the most of what it has to offer.